Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can recover messages on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. It is actually possible to recover deleted messages on this device. However, it depends on the app that you use in order to send and receive messages. If you use Google Messages, like this one, it is not possible to recover messages. When we try to delete the conversation, then we will see the info that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. So it is not possible to recover messages in this app. However, there is also an app made by Samsung. So if we open the app drawer, go to Samsung, over here we have messages. We can of course set this app as the default one. We actually need to if you wanted to use it. And then in this case, when we want to remove a conversation, we need to press and hold it and then press delete. Then over here we have the text to move this conversation to the trash. So instead of deleting it completely forever, first we move it to trash. Once you remove the conversation to trash, we need to tap on these three dots over here. So let's do this, and then we need to tap on trash. And over here we will find our conversations that have been deleted, and we have 30 days to recover them. If we don't do that, they will be removed forever. Or we can actually delete them manually over here. So we can, for instance, select the message that we want to recover, and then we have restore. If we select all of them, then we have restore all. And this is how we can restore a conversation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.